Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Today I'm going to blow out my hair and I'm going to use the Dyson SuperSonic. I know it's been so long since I've used this blow dryer. I mean, I use it all the time to diffuse my curls, but I never use it to blow it out. I really wanted to try blowing out my hair with this because I recently got a blowout at Ulta with my girl Christina. I don't know if you've seen that TikTok. I'm going to put it right here. So today I want to kind of recreate that look and I'm going to try my best to give myself a very nice smooth blowout with just the Dyson SuperSonic and a round brush. So this is also from Dyson, just got it. I hope it's good. I hope it's a good size. Okay, so I'm going to start by prepping my hair. I'm going to use the IGK Caption Instant Repair Serum. This serum, guys, is so good. Like, this is amazing for people who have damaged ends, damaged hair. It's a leave-in treatment and it feels so light on your hair. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels amazing. It actually makes my hair look so shiny, and over time this is supposed to repair split ends, damaged hair. If you put a lot of heat on your hair, definitely try this. You need to check it out. It's amazing. I am going to be using most of the products that Christina used when she did my blowout at Ulta. So here's one of them, and I love the IGK Good Behavior line. I love the entire line because they have different products. They have the prep spray, they have the balm. I use this spray before my blowout and then I use this one to touch it up throughout the week. But I actually saw that she used this one also before my blowout, so I might do that today. She used the spray, which I'm actually adding now. I love this. It's so good for detangling your hair. It adds so much shine to your hair, protects your hair from the heat up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. It's just everything that you need in a bottle. I love this one so much. This is probably like my favorite product from the Good Behavior line, but I also really like this one for touching up my blowout throughout the week. So now I'm just gonna spread the product with a brush. Already my hair feels so soft. So she parted my hair in the middle, just like this. She said if I'm doing my blowout at home, it's easier if I part my hair in the middle. And if I kind of like divide the front pieces like this, kind of like a little mohawk situation. So I'm going to leave the front section for last. She divided my hair in about like 5 sections. So I'm going to do that today. I'm going to divide this down the middle. And then I'm going to do this section first, like from the ear up. Like this section right here. So I'm gonna divide that right now. So yeah, that's something that I noticed a lot when she was doing my hair, that she did a couple of different sections. So I'm gonna do one more section back here. So you definitely need a couple of clips. Have those out and ready to go if you want to do exactly what I'm doing. So now I'm just going to work on these 2 sections right here. If you wanted to just do one at a time, you can do that as well. So I'm going to just kind of clip this one for now. Now we are ready to go. We're ready to blow out my hair. I have about 6 sections going on right now and I like it. I like the sound of that. I think it seems a little bit easier. Let's try it. So I think this section, I'm actually going to divide it for now into 2 sections and then I'll come back to this one. But I'll just kind of leave this one up here chilling. So I'm going to put this in the highest heat setting, the highest speed. This is the Dyson SuperSonic. This blow dryer is amazing. I use it all the time with the diffuser attachment. So I know that it is going to give me a fast blowout, and every time I go to a beauty salon, they're using this blow dryer. It's just that good. Okay. This feels so weird. This brush is amazing though. Wow, it really just like holds the hair. Yeah, it's good. This blow dryer is so good. It's so good. I like how she went like this. Kind of like, flipped the ends a little bit as she went down. Like that. Woo! Look at that! I think we're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. Okay, so here's the first section. I love it. I think it looks very nice and smooth. The roots look very smooth, and I don't even think it's gonna take me too long to do on my hair. So yeah, the Dyson SuperSonic is amazing. It dries your hair so quickly. If you have not tried it, you need to check it out. By the way, Sephora has a sale coming up. They have the spring savings event coming up. It starts April 1st, and you need to check out this blow dryer before it sells out at Sephora. So I'm gonna put the link below if you guys want to have it saved in your cart and buy it on the 1st. They're gonna have up to 20% off on this blow dryer, and this blow dryer is about $400. I know it's kind of pricey, but it's so worth it, guys. It's so good. By the way, if you're liking my videos so far, guys, I applied to be a part of the Sephora squad, and I need your help. I need your help because I need you to write a small testimonial. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description box, just telling Sephora why I should be a part of the Sephora squad. It's a 1-year partnership, and it would mean so much if you guys could take a minute or two out of your day and just leave a short testimonial. That would mean everything. Thank you so much. We actually hit 500 testimonials yesterday, which is insane. I really want to get to 1,000 testimonials, so I know we can get there. Please leave a testimonial down below, and yeah, let's keep doing my hair. I really like this brush, and it doesn't pull my hair. It's just like holds it, you know? The trick is to always kind of like hold the hair very well. If you have curly hair, focus the blow dryer on your hair, go back and forth like this, and eventually it's gonna dry it. You see? It's like dry. And then just keep doing that and keep going down. And then the end, just flip and just keep flipping. Now I'm gonna go from the bottom and do the same thing. I'm gonna do a little curl now that my hair is mostly dry. Love it. I'm gonna do this section a little bit more. It's looking amazing. I love how I'm able to shape the ends. So I'm gonna do this section now. I love this trick of dividing your hair even more because I feel like that's what beginners need. Even professionals do this because it's easier to manage all the hair. And sometimes when you just divide it in the middle, like me, I'm kind of used to doing that with the other blow dryers because it's easier for me to blow out my hair with those like blow dryer brushes. But with this, I do need to take smaller sections and just take sections that kind of are the same size of your brush. So I feel like this size is really good for getting in the roots and also just making a little bit of a bounce at the end. So yeah, so far I'm liking it. I'm gonna finish my hair and I'll be back with the final look. Wow guys, my hair looks so nice. Like, I am so impressed with how it turned out. I haven't even added an oil yet and it looks so smooth, bouncy. This round brush is amazing to kind of give yourself a little bit of a curl at the bottom. I'm very impressed and I'm so happy. So now I'm gonna add one of my favorite oils that I have. This is the Olaplex number 7 Bonding Oil. So I'm just gonna add a little tiny bit of this. El aceitico, you already know, just a little bit. And I like to go from the bottom and work my way up. I didn't think I was going to get this smooth of a blowout. I have no waves. It doesn't even look like if I have waves right now. I mean, it looks pretty smooth on this side as well. This is my very curly side, and this side looks pretty smooth. No, it's actually not that hard to do. So right now it is 2:35. So I would say it took me about an hour to do all my hair, but I think it's totally worth it. I don't even feel like I need to use a straightener or anything. Like, my hair looks so smooth and I'm so excited. It wasn't even that hard to do either. And yeah, just look at that shine. So yeah, guys, definitely get your hands on this during the Sephora sale. I'm gonna link it down below. It's so worth it. And if they have this at Sephora as well, I'm gonna link it down below. This brush, I know it's kind of pricey, it's like $40, but it's so good. Like, it gave me really nice curls at the end. Okay guys, that is it for this video. If you're liking my channel so far, please subscribe. Also, don't forget to leave your testimonial down below. I'm gonna put the link of my testimonial page down below in the description box, so please click that link, write a very short message, and yeah, that's it. It's very quick, very easy. So yeah guys, I hope I make it into the Sephora squad. Fingers crossed. That would be amazing, so that I can keep giving you guys maybe even better blowout videos with other products and stuff from Sephora. But anyways guys, that is it. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Bye bye.